Hi, this is Keshaw. I'm a Python trainer in PySpiders. This is my student. He got placed recently. He is going to share his experience, overall experience.
Good morning, everybody. My name is Sai Shyam R. I'm from BCA background. I joined PySpiders in the month of Feb. I was trained on SQL by Murali Sir, Python by Keshaw Sir, WebTech by Govind Raj Sir, and Django by Alex Sir. Here, the trainers support you very much and motivate you to get the best out of you. Here, you learn both on academic level and soft skill level. You enjoy every moment you spend here. Make sure you gain a maximum knowledge while you study here. Also you get to make a lot of friends. So I enjoyed my time over here. So it was thanks to Space Spiders that I got blessed. So I would like to wish my best wishes to everybody who is watching this.
Okay, thank you, and we congratulate and all the best.
Yes, thank you.